Hi, welcome to this video of day 17 affiliate marketing beginner to expert 30 days challenge $1000. And in this video we are going to see about the essential plugins and tools that make every affiliate marketer or millionaire. Not only affiliate marketer, every person who is making business in online. So these are all the most important plugins. Previous videos we saw about what is the importance of hostings, what are all the 5 factors which are involved in hostings. Previously we just saw about the loading speed of a website, schema, or schema enabled hostings, what are all the things, CDN, content delivery network, robots.txt.file, everything we saw in the previous videos. In this video, we will just see about the important plugins and tools that make every affiliate marketer millionaire. Please follow this 30 videos and I am damn sure you will start earning around $1,000 in a month. Please don't hesitate. Please don't forget to share my videos and tell about, share your videos, subscribe to my videos, everything. Please do it. And I'm very grateful to you, right? So the thing is, essential plugins and tools that make every affiliate marketer millionaire is there are n number of tools, but the most important tools I'll just mention it one by one, right? So before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And we saw about all these factors: speed, loading speed, robots.txt file, everything. But now what we are going to see is the plugins. Broken link. I'll just tell you about the most important plugins. The broken link checker. What is broken link checker? Broken link checker is used to eradicate the 404 errors. Before telling that what is 404 errors, you will just think about what is 404 errors. Website, a sitemap is considered as, what is sitemap? First I'll just tell you what is sitemap and then I'll tell you what is 404 error. The sitemap is nothing but a website consists of different branches like menus, submenus, pages, everything. The website is a combination of these menus, submenus, pages, everything, and that is totally called sitemap, right? If there will be a tree has a branches has a leaf has a flowers, right? In the same way, a website has a menu has a submenu has pages, everything. This collectively is called a sitemap. If something is broken in any of these is in this pages or in menus or submenus, it will indicate as 404 errors. I am coming again and again. I'm coming again. If something in a sitemap is broken or if menus or submenus are broken, it is indicated as 404 errors. To check whether these branches sitemap is not broken, we are using the plugin called Broken Link Checker. The next one, what we are what we are going to see is contact form 7, and we are going to manage and create various contact forms. The contact forms are used for names, email, IDs, everything. The contact forms to create and manage or modify this contact form, it is used. This contact form 7 is used to create a login page like name, email, like that, right? So the third plugin, what we are going to see is EC table of contents. And this EC table of contents is used in affiliate marketing marketers website. So this what it does is allows to insert a table of contents for the post and also the pages. So what is the need of allow making a table of contents? You can make a table of contents. The thing is, this plugin is used to create table of contents, and also it is used for helping to compare the products. If you are an affiliate in Amazon, it is used to compare the same product of different sellers or a same product of different brands. So this comparison can be done in the EC table of contents, and it is used to allow to insert table of contents in the post and pages. Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro is a paid plugin, but you can also go for a normal Elementor free Elementor plugins. This is a very popular page builder, right? So this Elementor plugin is a very good page builder, and it comes with add-ons also. So next one what we are going to see is Link Whisper. Link Whisper is used to create an internal link. So if you insert a Link Whisper, you can just, if a person is coming to your website and he is reading your blog, he is reading your article, and if he wants to read an article related to the same blog, you can create an internal link over there and it will connect to some other page. This function has been done by Link Whisper. And the most important thing, next one is Rank Mac SEO. All the affiliate marketer will be telling about all-in-one SEO pack or Yoast SEO, but I recommend that those two SEO pack are been outdated, and I recommend to go for Sitemac Rank Mac SEO, and it is the latest plugin and it has n number of features. And the next one is Sitekit by Google, and this Sitekit by Google is done by to make your website connected to Google search engine and Google Analytics. And the next one, what we are going to see is Short Pixel Image Optimizer, compression of image. You may ask what this plugin is used for. This plugin is used to make your image optimize and compress your image. So you may ask why, what is the need to compress an image? Let it be there. The thing is, it also is one other way related to the loading page of the website. If the image has been compressed by using this plugin, so the memory space will get less. If the memory space get less, the loading speed will become high. So that is the reason we are using to compress the images, and this compression of images is done by Short Pixel Image Optimizer. I will tell you in a different, after this 30 days of videos, I'll just put you separate thing what is the uses of this plugins, and I will just tell you about the pros and cons of each and every plugin. But now, as if it is a 30 days affiliate marketing challenge, I will just tell you the overview of these plugins, and I will also show you to install two plugins for a sample. In the same method, you just follow and install all the other plugins also. Most of the plugins will be free plugins. If it is a free plugins, please install it. If it is a paid plugins, you don't want to install it, that is not that will not make a very big impact. After you start earning $1,000 a month, you can buy these plugins, these paid plugins, and you can install. And another one thing, if you are not using if you are not continuously regularly using any plugins, please you can deactivate it and you can activate it later. So that is the thing. So next one is WP Racket, which speed up the site, and it's also a loading plugin. Social plug for social sharing plugins like Facebook, Twitter, everything. Stackable is if you are going to a page and there will be a block editor, you can customize this block editor that is used for stackable plugins. And table press is also used to create table with short codes. And Thrive Leads is an important plugin for building a email list for your website. And W3 Total Cache is also used for loading speed. The WP Rocket is also used, and W3 thing is also used for making for loading the websites, right? So these are all the websites, and WP coupons is used for creating the coupons, and WP snitch snippets is also used for making the schema enabled, for making the SEO, for better SEO. WP rich snippet is also used. So these are all the plugins. Please go and try this, install this plugins and try to install it and activate it. If you are not using it regularly, please deactivate it, the unused plugins. And but don't forget to install it. And now I am showing you how to install a plugin. Go to appearance. Below the appearance, there will be, yeah, go to appearance, and below that there will be a plugins. Just click plugins and there will be add new button. Just click add new button and just type a plugin, right? So I'm just typing it as contact form 7, and this contact form 7 will just display, and click install now and then activate it, right? So this contact form 7 has been activated, and you can go to the settings and you can check and you can edit it. So this is the short code. You just wanted to copy the short code and place it in the Elementor page builder. Your contact form 7 will just display in your website, right? You can customize, you can modelize it, everything you can do. Next, I'm just going to show you again. I'll just install some other plugin and I'll just show you. Just go to the appearance plugins, add new, click this plugin called broken link checker. I just told you no to for eradicating this 404 error. That is the same plugin. So I am just clicking broken link checker, install now. I am just installing it and I am activating it. Yes. And in this broken link checker, I am going to settings. Yes, and I'm just checking out number of links broken, everything we can check. Please check if you have if you have installed broken link checker within 2 days once. Please check whether this broken links are working properly. So this will eradicate the 404 errors. If you have eradicated 40 errors, it will make your income of an affiliate marketer to scale up to certain extent. The 404 errors will also stop making money for the affiliate marketers. So please check every for 60 hours or every 2 days once. Please check it out whether the links are not broken by using broken link checker. So in the same way, please install the other plugins and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see the notifications and please follow my videos and start earning. So thanks for watching this video. Bye.